Like I say, we're looking at the Huracan. This is an Evo, but it'll be the same for pretty much all the Huracans.
Alright, so if you go to the driver's side, open the door and go up under the dash, you can see the little pull for the manual hood release. Now if you pull on that and it does not release the hood, make sure that it's actually pulling the cable through the sheath. That is, the sheath is like mounted in that little bracket there. If it's not, that may be part of the problem. But usually if you're pulling on it and it does not release, there's another problem, and that is that cable goes up and goes to a little junction box where it meets the cable that's pulled by the electric button. So in that box you have the manual pull cable goes in, and then the electric actuator cable goes in, and that meets into like a cable Y, and that on the other side of that Y is one cable that goes to the hood latch. It's kind of stupid. Obviously, if the cable were to break for the electric actuator further up, closer to the actual release mechanism, then the manual pull does nothing still. And you can pull as hard as you want. It's not going to do anything. You're just going to hurt your finger. If that happens, then you have to do what we're showing you here. Put it up on a lift, and then you can see the rest.
And you got to get up under here. Take this front panel down. Very easy. Bunch of T30s and a couple of these little clips that you pry on either side and slide them down. They just slide in, or you pull them down. That's how they unlock. Very easy. Then you're gonna get right here, and this is the radiator shroud on the back side. It's very soft though. You can just flex it down. Then up inside of there, you'll have a line there that's for the AC. So you don't want to puncture that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a dead blow mallet here and stick it right up in here, so I can reach in there and see. If you move that hose over, what you'll see is on the back side, you're gonna have to like break that little tab that it holds onto, and then you'll replace that later. But you'll get that out of the way. Then you see up there, see that little hook right there, right underneath the cable. That little hook, it's right there. You're gonna get a little pick in there. I mean, it doesn't take very much force at all. Just a pick like this, and just pull it down. And you can get your arm up in there easily. You're just gonna have a little bit of dirt on it, and a little bit of scratches, and then boom, it'll pop up.